We're really up-leveling the professionalism of this retreat and how we're putting it together and how we're doing it. And it's only going to expand the horizons for our authors and what they're looking to do to live the author lifestyle. Every year at the retreat is different, which is an odd thing to say, being that we're in the same location. Many of the same people come back every year. But I think we can relate to that if you think about a book that you've read more than once. You're a different person. You're coming at things from a different angle. And we are certainly increasing the offerings, increasing the opportunities available for authors every year. We're adding on and creating more opportunity for completing novels, for publishing novels, and for really living that author lifestyle. Onward and upward, we're creating great opportunities for authors here in England.